Oh, that hummingbird is so cute. Hi, gorgeous. Oh, so beautiful. Such a rare sight. I wonder how long hummingbirds live for. Sorry if you guys can't see him anymore. He's hiding. Or she. Oh, oh, there it is. And sorry if you can't hear me over the wind. It's very windy here today. Fast little bugger here, isn't it? So pretty. It must be a female because it's not very colorful. Or no, oh no, maybe it is. Maybe it is a male. Is this a male or a female, guys? If anyone's a bird expert, please let me know what that is. Is that a male or a female hummingbird? I am very curious. In the meantime, enjoy watching it drink from the flowers. I will shut around. Oh, it flew away, but it was so close to me. Did you guys see it? It was so awesome. Okay, well, I'm gonna cut this video short. Peace!